Once again, hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we will be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by Assam Public Service Commission. Just before 2 days, we have discussed a recruitment notification that has been published by Assam Public Service Commission, and that was basically junior engineers recruitment notification. So friends, a new recruitment notification is released by Assam Public Service Commission, and this is for not only for junior engineer but also for assistant architect and as well as for assistant engineer. So friends, we'll discuss this recruitment notification in detail. Before we begin, I would like to inform you that if you're watching our videos for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any updates, because here in Exams Made Easy, we used to discuss each and every engineering recruitment notifications every day, be it central government recruitment notification, all other state government recruitment notifications, as well as friends, all the public sector undertaking organizations of various states as well as government of India. So friends, coming back to the recruitment notification analysis. If you look at the recruitment notification, total number of vacancy is mentioned here 577. So Assam Public Service Commission is going to recruit assistant engineers, junior engineers and assistant architect, and total number of vacancies 577. The first one is assistant engineers in civil engineering discipline. As you can see here on the screen, total number of vacancies 222 only in civil engineering. So friends, if you look at the educational qualification, then BE or its equivalent degree in civil engineering from any recognized institute. So basically BE degree is required, that is bachelor degree in civil engineering. Apart from that, it is also mentioned that bachelor's degree in civil engineering must be a regular course. That is what you know it very well, that correspondence course in engineering is not valid anymore. Bachelor's degree in civil engineering obtained through distance mode of education will not be accepted. It is mentioned in a special column, as you can see. Apart from English, the candidate should have adequate knowledge of at least one official language of state of Assam. So let me remind you what are the state official languages of Assam, that are Assamese, Bengali and Bodo, except candidates belonging to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Dima Haso Autonomous Council. So if you belong to those two autonomous council like Karbi Anglong and Dima Haso, then you have no need to know all those three languages. So friends, age limitation is 21 years and maximum age limitation is 38 years as on 1st January 2020, and pay scale of 30,000 in 1,10,000 will be provided. If you look at the second post, friends, that is for junior engineer, total number of vacancy is 344 in civil engineering discipline only. And friends, educational qualification is diploma or degree. So if you are a degree holder, then also you are eligible. And friends, diploma or degree must be a regular course, or if it is in distance mode, then it will not be accepted or it will not be valid. And the third point is same as the previous post, as I have mentioned earlier. That means apart from English, candidates should have adequate knowledge of at least one official language of the state of Assam, that is Assamese, Bengali or Bodo. And friends, it is not applicable to the candidates of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as well as Dima Haso Autonomous Council. And age limitation is like the previous post, that is from 21 years to 38 years as on 1st January 2020. And pay scale is from 14,000 to 60,500. And friends, coming to the next post, or you can see the last post, that is assistant architect, total number of vacancies 11. If you look at the educational qualification, bachelor's degree in architecture from a recognized university and should be registered with Council of Architects of India. And apart from English, the candidate should have adequate knowledge of at least one official language. The language could be Assamese, Bengali or Bodo. And here also it is not applicable to the candidates who belong to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council or Dima Haso Autonomous Council. Age limitation is same as the previous post, and pay scale is from 30,000 to 1,10,000. And friends, if you belong to the category or SC, ST, then you will get relaxation of 5 years. For OBC category of candidates, relaxation of 3 years is permissible, and for physically challenged or the category of candidates, age relaxation of 10 years is permissible as per government norms. And friends, let me remind you that the posts under the Panchayat and Rural Development Department and Public Works Department under Assam government only. I have mentioned the post. And friends, one of the most important point regarding this recruitment notification is this, as you can see here, only candidates who are permanent resident of Assam are eligible to apply for the above post. But if you look at the other states recruitment notification, like if you talk about West Bengal, Bihar, etc., the all Indian candidates are applicable. They can apply for those posts and they will be considered as general category of candidates though. But in case of Assam, it is only permissible to permanent resident of Assam only. The residents of other states are not eligible, and candidate selection will be through sorry friends, through screening test or written test, and exam date, venue, examination, interview, everything else you can get from this website apsc.nsc.in. I'd like to request you that please subscribe our channel. We'll let you know about all those informations whenever it will be uploaded in their official website. And friends, if you look at the application procedure, so you can apply in the below mentioned address. I'll mention you in the description box of this video itself. You can get the address, and copy of testimonials you have to attach, like educational qualification, caste, age, and application form is also available in the description box. As well as friends, you can avail the application from our Telegram channel as well, because all the PDF copies we used to provide by our Telegram channel only. So if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, by following the link which is available in the description box of this video itself, you can join our Telegram channel, from where you can get all the PDF copy of each and every recruitment notification as well as application forms. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any question, let us know by commenting in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.